Learn how to make cute bunny coasters to bring a little whimsical spring to your decorations. You can download the bunny pattern if you follow the link in the description below and follow along with this easy step-by-step tutorial using small scraps and leftover fabric. Start by sewing the top and bottom bunny pieces together, just along the edges. Make sure to leave a gap in the center. Now you want to layer the interfacing and batting on the front bunny piece and baste them along the edges. Now sew the front and back of the bunny coaster together, all along the perimeter. Clip all the corners and curves. And then turn the coaster to the right side through that gap you made on the back. Then press the coaster and sew up the gap. Now you want to top stitch all the way around the edge of the coaster to give it a neater finish. And then it's finished. You have a cute little bunny face coaster.